Ever wondered why some thrive in online auctions while others barely make profits? The secret lies in strategic bidding and selling, skills you can master. Before, you may have faced losses, but with knowledge, the tide will turn. Step 1. Understand the market. Know what's rare, trending, and in demand. Next, develop a keen eye for undervalued items that promise high returns. Craft your bidding strategy. When to bid, how much, and on what. Patience is key. Wait for the right moment to enter the fray. Selling is an art. Create compelling listings that stand out. Engage with the community. Build trust and a network of repeat buyers. Monitor your progress. Refine your methods with each auction. Embrace technology. Use tools that give you an edge over the competition. Remember, every bid is a learning opportunity. Grow from each experience. Celebrate your victories, but stay humble and ready for the next challenge. With these strategies, you're not just participating, you're winning. Transform your online auction experience and maximize your earnings starting today.